Today's video is going to be two things, a lesson and a strategy. A lesson to those who have strategies and think that their strategies are the holy grail of trading and they live by it and die by it. And a strategy for those who already have strategies but are objective and open-minded to changing one or two things in their trading strategy. If you are new to Quotex and just bumped on this video, make sure you watch it to the end because this video explains how a strategy can be modified to make it even stronger. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it, create your account, and see you after the pre-roll. Now, the reason I said this video is going to be both a strategy and a lesson is I noted that even myself as an experienced trader, I've been leaving a lot of cash to the market in the Quotex trading platform. This is simply because my strategy revolves around following the trend, and I noticed that even as I follow the trend, sometimes the market makes pullback, sometimes it makes longer corrections, and I leave these all to the market. The interesting thing that I want you to learn from this video is even as you follow your strategy, you can always make some small and simple tweaks to take advantage of each and every volatile market that you come across. Remember, this is binary options trading, and in binary options you make money even with the smallest change in the market. Watch how I traded on this video and learn how you can adjust your strategy to also take advantage of the market and make as much as you can while you have the favor of price. Now, if you are a follower of this channel, you can already tell by looking at the screen that the strategy I was using before is the same strategy that I've used in my previous videos over and again. So let's just strip the chart of all the tools that I'd already added, remove the moving average, change this one to period. Let's change it to period 50. That is our first moving average, and change the color. Then we add another moving average and change the color to period 200. This will give us two moving averages that forms our basic signals tools. Okay, so generally what we do is we look at these two moving averages and make decisions based on golden crossovers. So we get golden crossovers when the slow moving average, which is the moving average with period 50, we've marked it as purple, I think, if I'm not colorblind. If it crosses the 200 moving average upwards, then it means the market is trending upwards. If it crosses downwards, it means the market is trending downwards. Another thing that we are looking at is price. Is price above the two moving averages, below the two moving averages, or in between? If it is in between and closer to the slow moving average, and it's moving upwards, then we trade up. If it is closer to the slow moving average, which is the moving average with period 200, and it's moving downwards, then we trade down. Then just for confirmation, we are also using the RSI, which is the relative strength index, to look at the oversold levels and overbought levels. Sometimes price can be moving upwards and the RSI is moving downwards. We need to note those because it signifies that the market is either going to reverse sooner or there is a shift in the trend direction. Once you know that, you are good to go and you can use the strategy. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it, create your account, and let's continue. Remember, I said that this video is going to be both a strategy and a lesson. The strategy is very simple. It is whatever I've already explained. Then the lesson is sometimes the market gets to an exhaustion. When it gets to that exhaustion, it can either pull back, make a retracement, or make a total reversal. In our case, I've noted that even though the general trend of the market is downward, price has started making higher highs and higher lows, and that could signify two things. Either the market is in a reversal or there is a shift in market structure. So let's add another tool to monitor. If this is a reversal, we take advantage of that and we change our trades from down trades to up trades. And if it is just a simple pullback or a correction in the market, then we also take advantage of those. Since the market is volatile enough, we can place simple trades and make money scalping those corrections. Before we do that, let's change the amount that we are trading with to $200. That is what we will use for the signal that we get from this strategy. So let's add the parallel channel. The parallel channel, again, parallel channel can be used as support and resistance levels in a trending market. If it is trending upwards, you can use them as either ascending or descending support and resistance level. You can adjust them by using these points that are shown on the screen. And after adding that parallel channel, you notice that even though the general trend of the market is downward, there is an opportunity to make money with up trades in this channel, inside this channel. So how do we do that? We wait for the market to get to the bottom of the channel and we trade up to get to the top of the channel, and we trade down. Be careful though, because this market is in a downtrend. That is the general trend. So if the market gets to the support level, you be cautious, wait for it. If it breaks out of that channel, then you can continue trading downwards. If it bounces back, then you can still make money trading within the channel. You can also wait for the market to retest the new resistance level, that is immediately after it has broken out the support level, and see if that is a fake out or if it is a genuine breakout. If it is a breakout, you trade downwards. But for our case, just for the simulation of this video, we will trade upwards with the $200 inside this channel. So let's wait and see what happens to our trade in 1 minute. Remember, the asset that we've traded on is the USD COP OTC pair, and we've traded with $200. Our new account balance is $504. Remember, this video is just for educational and entertainment purposes. It is not financial advice. In case you want to trade in Quotex, learn how to trade using tutorials, using the Quotex trading platform, or even other external materials that are available online. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it, create your account, and use the demo account before you go to the live account. 10 seconds left until the close of that trade, and the market can continue going upwards and upwards until it gets to the resistance level, and it has just closed in profits of $354. So now imagine that we were following our strategy strictly. We won't have traded on that, and we would have lost that money. And that's how easy it is to modify your trading strategy and make it a solid tool that you can use to milk money on any binary options trading platform. Again, if you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it, create your account, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, tap on that subscription button. See you on the next video.